Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile or stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth system in this 2019 Mitsubishi L200. If you go to your music, let's see, Phil Collins is playing now. I'm going to turn that down. If I click the silver triangle and the three silver circles there, you'll see there it's just got iPhone. So if we go back over to the system, we click on home, and then you see iPhone, iPod, USB, FM, AM, DAB, settings. One further over, Bluetooth audio. So there you go, it's preparing. There you go. So that's come up, that's an audio book I'm listening to at the moment, but you'll see there Mitsubishi has now come up. If I just go back actually, and I'll click play again on here, that should change it. So there you go, Genesis, that's it. Turn this down, turn this up, and then that's how you stream audio. Let me see what else. If you go to menu there, if you click menu, you can see there you can repeat song, repeat all, shuffle, shuffle off, scan, switch connected device. So if there's somebody else in the car that's you want to listen to their music on their phone and it's paired, you can switch the devices. Bluetooth settings and sound settings. So sound settings there, tone, fader, music type. I won't really bother with that, but I'll just go back there, click back there again, Bluetooth settings, click Bluetooth settings, and there you've got, you see there it's showing the music symbol there and the phone. So whatever audio plays through your mobile or is playing on your mobile, whether it be Amazon Prime Music, Spotify, it's a soundtrack from a YouTube video, it will play through the system so long as you have it set up like that. I'm just actually thinking if you can go through using the source button here. So that's, hang on, I'll just turn that down before it blasts out. Yeah, so you can flip between what you want, the radio from here, and then that goes to Bluetooth audio. Look, so you can do it without taking your hands off the steering wheel. That's how you stream music.